Okay, guys, I hope you're well. So, in this video, we're gonna show how the form creator works. All right. The main idea of having a form creator will be to provide tools to the recruiters to better structure the interviews following a pattern already pre-designed by them, and that also facilitates the filling of the required data to the job seeker. That is why we think about providing a space employer's company where they can see a list of different forms created by them. For example, forms for software development interviews or for administrative areas. All these forms previously saved will have options to be viewed, edited, deleted, or duplicated. Likewise, at the end of the list, we will have the option to create a new form and the option to go back, like that in this picture. We agreed to add these options of form creator, thinking about use previously given in applications created for staff leverage and looking for other examples on internet to finally arrive at the proposal adapted to the need of job DNA, right? In this picture, we have the three columns: name, creation date, and options. Uh, we have two filter to tools input search for filter, a form for name and creation date. We have five options in color. The green is to show a particular form. The second one is to edit. The third is to delete a form. The fourth is for duplicate, and the five is to download the form to your local computer, right? So we want that when creating a new form, the user can have enough tools, or at least the main ones, when filling the required data. That is why we think of integrating a menu with a varied and complete list of the most important inputs that the user wants to integrate. This menu will be displayed after the user selects the option on the bottom Create New Form. Assign the name he or she wants the form to have, and when the workspace is found, select the option to add new input, like this. We have the option to add new input, all right? And the next picture, we see the menu, all right? Where the option of different inputs that are going to be shown, right, is structured by dividing the section into basic, quick elements, survive elements, and page element in order to show a better organization for the user's location in the menu. We have the section basic, quick elements, survive elements, and we have all the different inputs that we can add to the form. When selecting any of the inputs shown in the menu, they will have a series of options to be edited, deleted, or duplicated. So when we add, we can see the inputs like that: full name, email address, date, applying post for position, and browse files. Similarly, the rest of the inputs found in the menu may be edited differently and according to the information needs that the design will have to give amplitude to what the user requires. When the user finishes filling the form adapted to the context that is direct, he can select a saving action that will be seen in the workspace, and it will be added to the list form already saved by the user. By clicking on the option to view a saved form, it will be displayed on a different page where it can be saved as a PDF or printed. In this page, we can see all forms, and we have the last icon button on purple. We can save as PDF or print. And finally, guys, the recruiting user can access this form from the chat room, right? Where you can modify the name of the form you select, duplicate, visualize it, and fill it out. I think with this video, you understand a little better the how the phone creator works and what is are we thinking about this. All right. So see you later, guys.